In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the software on your Skyworth TV, including models like 32E3, 40E3, 43E3, and 49E3. Keeping your TV's software up to date ensures you get the latest features and bug fixes. Let's walk through the steps to update your Skyworth TV software. Step 1. Check the current software version. Turn on your Skyworth TV and go to the home screen. Open the Settings menu and navigate to About or System. Find the software version to see if an update is available. Step 2. Connect your TV to the Internet. Make sure your Skyworth TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. To check the connection, go to Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, and connect to your network if it's not already connected. Step 3. Update the software automatically. In the Settings menu, navigate to System or Software Update. Select Check for Updates or Update Now. If an update is available, the TV will download and install it automatically. Wait for the process to complete. Once the update is finished, your TV will restart and the new software version will be applied. Step 4. Update using a USB drive, if no internet access. If you don't have an internet connection, you can update via USB. Visit the Skyworth official website and download the latest firmware for your model. 32E3, 40E3, 43E3, or 49E3. Copy the firmware file to a USB flash drive. Insert the USB drive into the TV and go to Settings, System. Select Update via USB and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Step 5. Restart your TV. After the update, your TV may restart to complete the process. Once it's done, enjoy the new features and improvements. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.